dearies. What's good? It's Jenny's Arena, and you're welcome once again. So, today we are here for an art exhibition. I want you to see more of Ghana and the creative Ghanaian culture. Join me as we go see people's artistic creation. Let's go. Okay, so we are in Chado. This place is called 360 Project. 360 Projects. Oh, okay. So let's get inside and see. Wow. The theme of the exhibition was Remnants of Our Dreams. And it's to say that the artist used items that have been used and rejected by people or dumped, and they revamp it to make something beautiful. Remnants of our dreams. So we'll go inside very soon to see what exactly they have created. Allah. We are about to go inside to see what art they have over there, but I decided to show you how I look. I decided to look Ghanaian, African, like, I don't know, local girl, natural girl. What would you call it? What would you call this dress? Yeah, so that is me. And it was a beautiful day for me. Let's go inside to see the artworks. Let's take a quick glance at the various artworks, and then we delve deeper into their inspirations and motives behind the artwork. When you see arts, you surely like to take pictures because they are beautiful. This is a photography representing the reality of a trotro mate, that is the public transport in Ghana, and it's beautiful. And yes, the mates don't joke with their monies at all. For some, as soon as you sit down, they are taking their monies right away. This is an amazing artwork made from melted mats. This is incredible. We indeed have a story to tell through the stuffs we use daily. Later in the video, we are going to look at the specialization of each of these artists and what inspired them to create such beautiful pieces.
Sedina was interested in explaining art based on post-colonial history, okay? And she's also interested in politics. Okay. You see, when you look at this one, me, I was intrigued because when you look at it, it makes you feel as if you shouldn't believe everything you see. Yeah. You should also listen. See with your ears.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Don't see with your eyes, but see with your ears. Like something like that.
Let's go to the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this was done by Cyril. Yeah. Cyril.
And this one.
Yeah, Cyril is also from KUST.
Yes, the only school.
Yeah.
Wow. Care University is where you find all the stars in the world.
Yeah, like us.
Yeah.
So Cyril likes lively stuff, so lively content. So you can see all this like, I just look at her, she looks like something in love.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
If you know Hamamat, you following Hamamat on Instagram?
No.
Looks like.
Yeah, she looks like somebody in love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's looking at her lover,
Yeah. Look at the husband romantic in the picture.
Exactly.
This was done from mat, the plastic mat.
I was actually amazed.
So
Wow.
it was recycled from mat and copper. So that's what was done. So when I look at this, it looks like the house is not really a house. Some parts of the house is missing.
It's like complete.
Yeah, it's like incomplete something. So I feel like it's a house in trouble. I don't understand the picture about art.
Yeah,
I'm just saying
it's I don't know, you know, when you see art, you look at it and you find it your way. Until you meet the artist, then they actually give you the inspiration.
Yeah.
Art is very beautiful. I'm very intrigued.
Yeah.
Very intrigued.
Yeah, it's
And
amazing.
this-
I like what I'm seeing.
This is a symbol of fear.
This one. With the T.
It looks like
I'm just kidding, but I don't know what.
it looks like danger. It looks like danger.
So let's see who made this.
Alright, so who made this one?
Okay. This was done by Moses and Jane.
Moses A. J.
Yeah.
Okay. So Moses A. J.
So
where is it from?
this is a picture of his childhood memories.
Nightmares, right?
Then you go here and you
Childhood memories that shape.
scary.
It doesn't look scary, you can see their smiles.
Okay, yeah, I was trying to look for a smile, but this
Yeah,
was
so it's
the
like
same.
every emotion in your childhood is different. There's fear, there's smile, there's disgust. It's a whole lot. So let's
That's the reaction.
Yeah, of course. Alright, so I'm looking for a particular friend.
this will look like it was drawing his love. So this is like Ishmael. Yeah, Ishmael. So it looks like Charlie, we are in our 50s, but we're still rocking.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. This is a forever young. Yeah.
Forever young and slave. Slave my 60s. As cute as this. Yes.
So there's this too. And now there's the science guys. A scientist who became an artist. That's what it looks like to me.
Okay,
It
so
looks like to you. Okay.
it's more like machines.
Machines here. I think this one looks like a ventilator or something like a ventilator.
I know this guy.
Yeah, it looks
This
like
was
a
done by
ventilator.
Martin Kujo.
Martin Kujo. Okay.
Yeah.
From which school?
Is that from Kenya University of course?
Wow. Means that
So-
all of them are from our school, right?
So listen.
Yeah, I'm listening.
So Martin Kujo tackles the topics based on coexistence, failure, displacement, using a mixed media method of canvas. Okay, so Martin deals with failure, displacement. So this machine looks like a machine, but it hasn't been placed, right?
No, I think it's more of an abstract art.
Yeah, so it's like, it looks complex.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's an abstract art.
Yep.
So
So he names his work Evolution into the Unknown.
Evolution into the unknown.
Yeah.
That says it, because you actually need to look further to see what is it all about.
And there's also an art from KNU Institute. So, what did he say? He offers new life to create his things. So he puts life in everything he creates.
It looks like ropes.
Fill the ropes.
Yeah. Ropes.
I'm not an art person, but it's like I'm talking about art.
Yeah, you should work with them. Yeah, we've seen you, Senna.
hello, I'm Senna.
Everybody sees Senna.
I'm Senna.
Yeah. Senior manager.
Everybody, bye-bye. Everybody, bye-bye.
Yeah. So we are leaving here. I mean, I'm so excited to see all those beautiful arts with so many different inspirations. You could see that creativity is really something interesting. Some of the things, when I see it, especially the matte one, it will never cross my mind to melt matte and formulate such a thing. Artists are really creative, and you must celebrate art and culture. I'm so glad to show you Ghanaian Arts and Culture. I hope you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.